to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Graycie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for supporting us.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a center spiral loop braid. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. We're going to start by pulling her hair back, and you could do this dry if you like. She had just gotten out of the shower, so we're going to do this wet. We're going to go ahead and just smooth out the hairs. We're going to split this into two sections. The right side is going to be thicker than the left side. The left side is going to be smaller. I'm going to go ahead and section that off. You can tell this is thicker and this is thinner. So we're going to put this to the side. We're just going to take a small section right here, and then we're going to go ahead and put this to the side. So we're going to work with this strand. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to take this strand and go under the left section, and then go up and see your two fingers. You're going to grab that tail and just make a loop or a knot. Okay, go ahead and tighten that up. We're going to take the same strand here, and this time you're going to go over the thicker strand. So you're going to take the two fingers between this small strand, and you're going to take this tail right here and go over the thick strand, and take your two fingers and pull the strand, the tail strand right through. Go ahead and tighten that up. So we're going to go ahead and just flush that together. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. With this same strand, we're going to go ahead and go under the left strand, putting your two fingers right here, and bring that tail right here between those two fingers and pull right through. Tighten that up. Now we're going to go ahead and work on the right strand. So now we're going to take a small section right here from the right strand and add it to this section here. And now we're going to go ahead with your two fingers, bring this strand over the thick strand, and then bring your fingers and take the strand and grab it with your two fingers and pull right through. Make sure that is tightened. And then you're going to go ahead and not add no strand to this. So you're going to go and take this strand, bring it under that strand, put two fingers right here, under, back over, and grab it with your two fingers and tighten it. Smooth the strand out. And now we're going to go ahead and add a small section right here on the right strand. Going to add it. Now bring your two fingers right here, bring that over, then grab it with your two fingers and pull through. Okay? And this is all repeated. So again, we're going to add none. So you're going to go ahead and just make a knot, grabbing the strand with your two fingers and pull through. Tighten it up. And then only the right side you add. So only the right side you add. Put your two fingers here, bring this over the thick strand, take your two fingers right here, grab that strand with your two fingers and pull right through. Okay, tighten it up. And see how it looks like a spiral already going down? That's what you want. Show you one more time. Put your two fingers right here, grab the tail from underneath the left strand, bring it through, grab it with your two fingers, and pull right through. Remember, the left side strand, they go under, and the right side of the strand, they go over. And that is all there is to it. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only.
Now when all those magic friends at night, enjoying your alone time. Why didn't you ask me out? I might be paranoid, 'cause I'm still sky high. But I just know what to avoid, baby. Don't let me down. Me and my army, we will stake you out. Whoa, one step ahead and we will bring you down. Whoa, me and my army, we will stake you out. Whoa, yeah, one step ahead and we will bring you down if you fail me now. Whoa, me and my army, we will stake you out. Whoa, yeah, one step ahead and we will bring you.
Okay, so I'm going to stop right here, and I'm going to tie this off together with an elastic band. I'm going to hide this elastic band with her hair using a topsy tail.
Want to say I'm sorry, my friend.
Flatten these out and just widen them out. And see how it looks like a spiral right in the middle? Pretty cool. Okay. Little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin.
Whoa, yeah, one step ahead and we will bring you down if you fail me now. Whoa, me and my army, we will stake you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback. Let us know about your success and find our videos or parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the description. Now, this helps us to continue making videos for you.
Don't forget to smash that like button.
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. We love you guys. Till next time. Learn it,
Do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys. God bless.